Hi Civil Service aspirants, welcome to another video, part 14. This is our part 14 in MCQ series revision for NPSC Prelims, which is going to happen in 13th of December. Now without any delay, let's start. First question, which national park was declared India's 58th Tiger Reserve in 2025? That is Ratapani, Madhav, Anshi, Simlipal. So the right answer is Madhav Tiger Reserve. All right, so that is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, Shikna Juwalo National Park, Assam's 8th National Park 2025, is located in which region? Barak Valley, Bodoland Territory, Upper Assam, Majuli region. So its answer is B, Bodoland Territory. We can call it BTDC, okay? Bodoland Territorial Regions. Next, Spiti Valley, Himachal Pradesh was designated in 2025 as India's first semi-arid Ramsar site, cold desert biosphere reserve under UNESCO, desert national park of Himalayas, mixed heritage site of India. So right answer is B, cold desert biospheric reserve. All right, next, the cold desert biosphere reserve Spiti covers approximately 2500 square kilometer, 5200 square kilometers, 7770 square kilometer, 10,000 square kilometer. So the right answer is 7,770 square kilometer. Next, accelerated glacier melting in Himalayas is linked to which major hazard? We can see that due to the climate change, ash or fly ash settling on Himalayan glaciers, it's been too much of panic situation with Himalayan glacier melting, including mountain flash flood, mud floods, and plain areas flood. All right. So cyclonic surges, glacial lake outburst floods, sand dune migration, severe droughts in desert. So right answer is GLOF. That is next. The Chorabari glacier near Kedarnath is known for which phenomena? Volcanic activity, retreating due to climate change, turning into freshwater lake, and presence of rare coral fossils. So the right answer is retreating due to climate change. Okay, next, which river is in India is primarily glacier fed from the Gangotri glacier? Yamuna, Ganga, Satluj, Chenab. So the right answer should be Ganga. All right, so Ganga as a river receive water from Gangotri glacier, but not in the name of Ganga exactly, but in the name of Bhagirathi. After Devprayag, Bhagirathi becomes Ganga right after joining Alaknanda river. Okay, next, the Purvanchal hills where Nagaland lies are an extension of which major mountain system? Karakoram range, Western Ghats, Himalayan range, or Hivindhya range. Obviously, A and D is not an option. They are found in north and the central part of India. Western Ghat is in southwestern part of India, and Himalaya from north to east, northeast part of India. So actually northeastern hills including Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, they do not fall directly under Himalayan range or anyway related with Himalayan range, but it is considered geographically that their construction been almost been continuous, but reasons behind both of their formation is different. Himalayas formed because of Eurasian and Indian plate collision, and northeastern or eastern Purvanchal hills were formed due to Burmese and Indian plate collision. So origin is quite different, but we still can say that Purvanchal hills are extension of Himalayas. So Himalayas should be the right answer. That is C, Himalayas. Okay, next. Zuko Valley, famous for its seasonal lily, lies between Nagaland and everyone knows that Zuko Valley is half part of Manipur, half part of Nagaland. So Manipur is the right answer. And anyways, Nagaland does not share border with Mizoram and Mizoram, that is a third state. So we connect Arunachal from north, Manipur from south, and Assam from west. Right. That is Manipur. Next, which of the following state has the longest coastline in India? Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. We can understand from this mapping point of view. Right answer is Gujarat, which also includes Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. or Cambay, you can say. Next, the wettest place in Earth, Mawsynram, lies in which state? Everybody knows. Very simple question, but it's better to make your confidence. But the right answer is Meghalaya, right? So Meghalaya is the right answer. Next point, which is India's longest river for the flows entirely within the country? Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna. So that's a little bit tricky, but we all know that Ganga is the longest river, but it's not entirely within the country. Okay. So next is Yamuna, Godavari, and Krishna. We saw that Yamuna is the tributary of Ganga, which also comes from Uttarakhand Yamunotri Glacier. Godavari we consider in rising from Maharashtra, certain part of Mahabaleshwar. From there, it traveled through this from Maharashtra, Karnataka, and your Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, right? So this place, and we also call Godavari as a South Ganga or Dakshin Ganga. So Godavari is the right answer. Okay, next. The peninsular plateau of India is mainly composed of alluvial soil, marine deposits, igneous and metamorphic rocks, loess. Okay, so basically plateaus are the most mineral deposits plains. So generally they are sea, igneous and metamorphic, because igneous are nothing but the solid form of molten magma. After magma gets solidified, we call it igneous rock, and metamorphic can be of anything which is decades old, went through certain metamorphosis process. Next, which river is west flowing in India? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Narmada. Mahanadi we know that flows in eastern part of India. Godavari in southern part, again west to east. Krishna west to east, Narmada west to east. So the question is, which river is west flowing river in India? So you can consider Mahanadi as an option, because Narmada as an option, because all of them flows towards Bay of Bengal, uh, west towards east, but Narmada moves east to west. Okay, so Amarkantak is the rising part of Narmada and travels through between Vindhya and Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh, ends up in Gulf of Cambay in Gujarat. Next, the Sundarbans mangrove forest lies mainly in which Indian state? All knows major part of Sundarban is found in Bay of Bengal, that is Bangladesh coast. But since our West Bengal is also connected with the territory of Bangladesh, so West Bengal is the right answer, where Sundarban mangroves are found. Remember the additional fact: Sundarbans is means the jungle of Sundari tree. Sundar means it's a particular name of tree, Sundari, right? And they are mangrove trees who can grow in salt saline water, and very much evoluted to intake or filter the salt water and take fresh water, right? So this is West Bengal. Next, the highest waterfall in India: Dudhsagar Falls, Jog Falls, Nokalikai Falls, and Gokak Falls. We know Nokalikai Falls. Now, we also considered sometimes Jog Falls, but Nokalikai is little bit higher than that. So next, the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? 6, 7, 8, 9. So the right answer is 8, because from west to east if you go, then it covers Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, including West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So total 8 states. If you go from east towards that, then this will be the same sequence you will follow. So total number is 8. Next, which lake is the largest freshwater lake in India? This is again one of the most common question that comes in B and C grade post exams. Koleru Lake, Wuller Lake, Loktak Lake, Chilika Lake. We all know that Chilika is not a freshwater lake, it's a saltwater lake. Loktak is in Manipur and it is not the largest. Koleru is in south, but it is not the largest again. The right answer is Wuller. This is lying nearby Nanga Parvat or Pangi range of Jammu Kashmir province, that is Union Territory. Okay, so Wuller Lake is the biggest freshwater lake in India. Next, the Thar Desert lies mainly in which Indian states? Mostly we know that is in Rajasthan, but Thar Desert also shares some boundary of northern part of Gujarat, but mainly found in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the right answer. Next and last. The Molong Kimong village in Nagaland is historically important because it is associated with first oil discovery in Northeast, first missionary school and Christian mission, first Naga statehood declaration, India-Myanmar trade treaty. We all know that, especially in terms of Nagaland prelims or Nagaland civil service exam, this type of questions are generally important from comes from the general awareness. As you have all aspirants must have noticed that today's 14th number video is mostly dedicated to the general awareness, not general current affairs. Okay, so general awareness is also very much important part of NPSC prelims. We all know that. So please find out the answer of it. Basically, Molung Kimong village in Nagaland is found in Mokokchung district area, and this Mokokchung district was the first region where Christianity first started, not actually oil. So we know that oil was found first in Assam, that is Digboy refinery named today, and the first Naga statehood declaration. So it was also not there because at the time of beginning of Naga statehood in 1963, two districts were mainly dominated, Mokokchung and Twinsang. And Indian Myanmar Trade Treaty, so it is not again the place who is connected directly to the Myanmar border. Those districts of Nagaland are different. So mostly goes towards B. Let's see. B. First missionary school and Christian mission it is. So this kind of general awareness questions are also very much important for my civil service aspirant friends who are giving this NPSC prelims. So I hope these questions will help you out, even though there were addition of some very easy questions, but this is how the nature of NPSC sometimes. So hopefully in next video we will come up with another general awareness sections. So thank you. Keep watching.